Hey guys, happy Ugadi! Today on the account of Ugadi, we are going to
Our farm.
so join with us to see our farm. Just a few minutes from here. Here. Now first we have to go to a temple, then we can see our farm. So this is not a temple, but this is a sacred tree. We do puja here. Puja time. This is my mom. And now we are going to see the cows. This is a calf that was born yesterday, and this is another calf in our farm. And these are all the adult cows. And there's a rooster. These babies are literally so cute. Oh my god. Look at this one and that one. These are so cute. There's some baby chicks, you can call them. Seriously, with their mom. These are literally so cute too. See that? All the adult cows are eating some grass. Now we are going to see some mango trees. Like these are also mango trees. There are some further above. Look at this massive mango tree. Here are some mangoes and many fallen down here also. Here I got some mango leaves which I'm going to do a craft with, which I am going to upload a video later. So many mangoes, get ready for the mango season. Walking in midst of mango trees, such a delight. Now we have finished seeing our farm and we are now going to temple. I have finished the visit to the temple and now we are
Going home.
It has been little like half an hour and it's raining and now we're going to eat pani puri. Are back home and it's literally raining cats and dogs outside. Look at this rain, oh my god. It's so horrible outside, oh my god. There's thunder, lightning, everything. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Stay blessed, stay happy.
Bye.
Bye.